locus, but that was the case of poles. Now we'll study about the root locus, in which poles and 1 0 is also included. Some of the steps are similar, but some of the steps will change. Okay, let's see what will be the change in this. Suppose they have given g of s is equal to k into s plus 4 divided by s into s square plus 6s plus 13. Okay, and h of s they have given as 1. What they ask in this, they ask find the value of k for a system having damping ratio. Damping ratio is denoted by the zeta is equal to 0.707. Okay, so this was the question. It is little bit different from the earlier question. Understood? So this is the case of complex poles, right? Because in this the poles are not the real number, correct? If you want to solve it, like if we want to solve it, poles, that is s square plus 6s plus 13, then how will we solve it? Can you tell me what would be the value of s? We need to calculate the value for the s. Tell me.